Hello friends, welcome to Insight Learners. So in this video we have a job update, that is Geo Platforms off-campus drive for freshers, and the job role for that is graduate engineer trainee. So we shall see the job details. So the company name, it is Geo Platforms Limited, that is Reliance Group, and the eligibility criteria is for BE or BTech, and the percentage criteria, it is 60% throughout, and the salary of the CTC, it is 3.5 lakhs per annum. So the next thing is the eligibility criteria. So the batch eligible is for 2021, and that is current final year students who will pass out in the month that is July or August 2021. And the eligible branches is for BE or BTech, that is for CS or IT graduates. And the percentage criteria, it is first class in 10th, 12th or diploma, and also for engineering graduates it is minimum aggregate percentage is 60%, and for BE, that is CGPA, it should be 6.75 CGPA with no backlogs. So the next thing is the job description. So the selected candidates will be working in the development field or testing or the operations for the Geo software products and services. And the selected candidates will also learn the latest technologies, like it can be artificial intelligence, machine learning, data science, or full stack development. So this is the job description. So the next thing is the selection process. So there will be 3 different rounds. So the round 1 will be shortlisting the candidates, and then after shortlisting there will be L0 technical interview, that is level 0 technical interview round, which will be conducted from 6th to 8th July 2021, and the round 2 will be the online test, which will be conducted on 9th July 2021, and the round 3 will be the level 1 technical interview and the final interview, so which will be conducted from July 10th to 12th July 2021. So then coming to the application link, it is simple Google document form in which you can fill it immediately and then submit. So the application link will be provided in the description. You can quickly go and apply for this job role. So thank you friends for watching, and do subscribe our channel for more updates.